How's it going, everyone? In this episode I'm going to show you how we grew these incredible nameko mushrooms at home, and I'm going to be cooking them too. And we're going to have to make it a really nice tasty gourmet meal because these are gourmet mushrooms, so stay tuned for that. So I got these nameko mushrooms as a present from my girlfriend's family, and you can see they did really well. They started off a little bit slow, but in the end we got plenty of mushrooms, and that is the main thing. So in this video I wanted to show you guys how we're going to cook these. These mushrooms are used a lot in Chinese cooking, so I thought I could make a delicious mushroom and noodle stir fry. I really love the look of these mushrooms. You can see the stems have a really cool patterning on them, and they were really tasty as well, so I would definitely recommend anyone to try these. If you get a chance, get a kit, because it's actually quite fun to grow as well. Here's a close-up of them, and you can see what I mean about the stem. It looks really unique. It's almost like a snakeskin patterning on them, which is really cool. I had to get some more clips of me picking these mushrooms, because that is sometimes the best part. When you've grown something and getting to pick it and harvest it is a great feeling. So I thought I'd get a few extra clips here. You can see we managed to harvest quite a lot of mushrooms, but I thought I would cook all of these in one batch because they were the main part of this meal. And yeah, we're going to start with a little bit of sesame oil and then throw all of the mushrooms straight in there. Once they start sizzling a little bit, then we're going to give them a little turn and get them cooking. And as you've seen, I've moved all the mushrooms to one side, and that's to get a little bit of space to put some of our fresh ginger in. Then that can cook down a little bit and really create some nice flavours. You can see I added a bit of garlic as well, and then it's time to mix it all together and really get this show on the road. And it is looking really tasty right now, and you can see I sped it up a bit just because you don't want to be watching it for too long. And we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce, and then add a little bit of sweet chili sauce. And then once this has been cooking down for a while, it's time to add your noodles, and then just stir it all together, get all of them flavours mixed into the noodles. And we're just going to add a little bit of fresh coriander, and I really love this kind of flavour. This really adds a whole nother dimension to your food, and a nice bit of extra colour too. And I'm really looking forward to trying this one. It's really tasty looking food, and just the fact that we grew it all ourselves just makes it even better. And I've never actually tried these types of mushrooms before, so it's going to be a whole new thing. And then we're going to add some sesame seeds and some fresh coriander just to finish it. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more. Bye.